Okay, sorry girls, I'm going super slowly. I'm going to try and go quicker, otherwise it's going to take us absolute ages. Okay, so calculate the variable costs that you need to pay each year. Show your workings. I'm just going to show you the mark scheme. Okay, so 22B, you just had to basically add the wait a minute, what was this about? Yeah, the key thing here is that you need to basically calculate it for every single, no, sorry, per year. Okay, so you basically had to times that by 12. So the first thing you had to do was find 30 plus 50, okay, and then you times that by 12 and you get this answer here, okay, because this is basically what is your cost in 1 month, and this is what your cost is going to be in 1 year. Okay, then we got 22C. So name the level of output where total revenue is equal to the total value. Basically, you had to write down the break-even point or level. Of course, you probably got a mark for that. Okay, now question 22D. You forecast that you will make a profit of £10,200 during the first year of business. Assuming that sales are the same each month, calculate the average revenue per month. Okay, so that's what we need to understand. That we're not doing it per year, but we're doing it per month. First thing we do is we need to calculate the profit made in 1 month. So we divide it by 12. Okay, and we get 850, and then we've got to find the total cost per month, and that is 700, which is given us to us before. Okay, and then we have to basically sub in the formula. So we got the average revenue per month is going to be equal to the profit plus the total costs. I don't know, if you wanted, you could have said that profit, you could have put the profit here is equal to X minus total costs, and then you could have plugged in the number and found X. I mean, I don't know how you want to do it. I don't know how, but anyway, of course, the revenue is going to be the profit plus the cost, so that's the answer. Okay, so that would have been, how many marks? That would have been 3 marks. Okay, now question 23. To help set up your business, you have applied for a bank loan. The bank manager has asked for a business plan to support this application. Identify 3 items that are typically included in a business plan. Okay, this is like in the sheet that I gave you. You could have written any of the things I gave you. Okay, so if you have a look at the indicative content here for question 23, any of these would have been fine. Okay, so have a look, pause the video, take a picture, whatever. But I'm going to have to move on, girls, okay? Now, question 23B, I'll do with you because it's an analysis question. I want to give you good ideas. So, analyze 2 disadvantages of financing your business using a bank loan. Okay, so disadvantage number 1, the way I've done it is that I say that it might increase a business cost substantially. Okay, and why is this? This is because interest rates can be high. Okay, so then we say that this leads to lower profit margins, as we said, because we said our costs are higher. Okay, and therefore lower income for the business, meaning that it will be harder to finance or the business's investments. Okay, and that would have been a great way to get the 3 marks. Okay, and then the disadvantage number 2, I'm just again going to do it to give you ideas for your exam and stuff like that. Okay, so first things first, the other thing I would write for this is that detailed application form from the bank, okay, may be required. Okay, why? This is because the bank will need to check if a business is eligible for a bank loan. Okay, this leads to, or you could say this means the business will need to invest time developing